The YouTube video that is titled 12 Uncommon Passive Income Ideas to Pay Your Rent in 2024, that was produced by the YouTube channel Santrel Media, is 17 minutes and 15 seconds in duration. Let's cut through all the fluff and just look at the key points. Number 1 on the list is renting out your driveway or land for parking. This idea capitalizes on unused space in driveways or land which can be rented out for parking. Here, Nate shares personal experiences and suggests using platforms like Spot Hero. However, he cautions about zoning laws in certain areas. Second is an affiliate marketing website. Nate discusses earning through an affiliate marketing website in the farming niche. He highlights the importance of creating content and ranking on Google for specific search terms. The recommendation is to use Bluehost for website hosting and suggest publishing 30 to 50 articles over 12 months to start earning. And of course, he has an affiliate link for you in his description. Next is dividend stocks investment. He says that investing in dividend stocks, like JP Morgan, is presented as a strong passive income source. He shares his experience of owning 10,000 shares of JP Morgan, yielding $40,000 per year. Nate recommends using investment platforms like Moomoo, but advises caution due to market risks. Fourth is email newsletters with Beehive. Beehive, a platform similar to Substack, allows users to build and monetize email newsletters. He then discusses making money through sponsored content in newsletters focused on tech promoted via YouTube and Twitter. Fifth is creating and monetizing AI newsletters. This idea involves creating AI newsletters and monetizing them through advertising. It requires some initial effort to build an audience. This, in my humble opinion, is so similar to number 4 that it doesn't deserve to be a separate method. Sixth is online courses on platforms like Udemy. Now, Nate suggests creating and selling online courses on skills like Microsoft Excel, etc. My comment here is that this is a lot easier said than done. At number 7, we have buying and selling domains or social media handles. Here, the discussion is around the potential of buying and selling internet domains and social media handles. Nate again shares his experience in this field, highlighting the waiting game and the inconsistency of buyer interest. Number 8 is licensing rights to movies or music. This passive income stream involves licensing out rights to movies or music on platforms like Netflix. My comment: this is probably above the skill level of most people watching these videos in an attempt to find a simple and lucrative side hustle. He also talks about renting out cars on platforms like Turo. Next is lending out money. Here he shares his experience with lending money as a passive income source. However, he cautions about the risks and the importance of understanding local laws and regulations. At 10, we have high-yield savings accounts. Using high-yield savings accounts, like those offered by Sophie, can generate passive income. He explains that these accounts are government-insured and can yield over 4% on investments. The penultimate method is renting out extra space. Renting out parts of your home, like a garage or attic, can be a source of passive income. He suggests using platforms like Facebook or Craigslist to find renters. And finally, we have investing in bonds. The video concludes with the idea of investing in bonds for passive income. He recommends using an app like Public for buying and selling stocks and bonds. Please remember that, much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details. But if there were 1 or 2 topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. Seek out experts in that field. Please do not look for generic how to make money fast videos, which just recycle the obvious suspects, like the ones mentioned by Santrel Media. Also, feel free to tell me which YouTube gurus you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.